Want your solar setup to actually work smoothly without turning into a tech headache? Okay, so if you're thinking about getting solar panels, batteries, and the whole smart home setup from just one brand, here's the lowdown. First off, sticking to one provider means everything talks to each other like besties, not strangers at a party. You'll get one app or control system instead of juggling 3 or 4 different ones, which is a total win in convenience. The installation usually goes faster because the company knows exactly how their stuff fits together. Plus, troubleshooting gets way easier when you have just one support team to call up instead of getting bounced around. Also, some brands design their products to maximize energy savings when used as a full package, which can boost your overall efficiency. Just remember, going all in with one brand might cost more upfront since you're basically buying premium integration. But if you want hassle-free solar power that just works without you needing a tech degree, it's often worth it. Oh, and keep an eye out for any warranty perks that cover the whole system when bought together. That's a nice bonus. One of the biggest mistakes folks make with integrated solar systems is mixing brands to save money, which can cause compatibility issues and weird glitches. Fix this by deciding early if you want a seamless system and sticking with that choice. Another common problem is ignoring software updates or app maintenance, which can mess with performance. Make sure you keep all the firmware and apps up to date to avoid bugs. The third frequent issue is underestimating installation complexity when using multiple brands, leading to delays or extra costs. Hiring a pro who understands integrated systems or going with one-stop providers usually saves you stress and cash in the long run. BigHomeProjects.com is like your friendly neighborhood matchmaker for home projects, hooking you up with trustworthy local contractors who get your style and needs. For contractors, it's a solid way to find real clients looking for work without all the hassle of endless marketing.